Most drawing tips out there get you to focus on drawing things the right way up. But what if I actually told you it's holding your accuracy, your proportions, and also your drawing skill back? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple exercise that trains your eye, sharpens your focus, and helps you see your references as they really are, not how you think they look. And we're doing it in a totally unique way by turning an image upside down. It's strange at first, but trust me, it definitely works. Stick around till the end of this video as I share this powerful drawing exercise that you can do daily and also corresponds to your portraits, landscapes, or anything that you're drawing from. I'm going to draw a portrait completely upside down, and you can follow along at home using any reference image: portrait, still life, landscape, anything you want. This technique helps break the habit of symbol drawing. That's when your brain overrides your observation with what it thinks an eye or nose or face should look like. When we turn the reference and drawing upside down, we trick the brain into focusing purely on shapes, angles, and relationships, not symbols. It forces you to draw what you see, not what you think you see. I'm using a pen today, and I recommend you do the same. This is because it forces you to commit, not erasing, no second guessing. Just lines. It builds your confidence in your mark making, and you start trusting yourself way more. Grab a pen, your sketchbook, and flip your reference image upside down. You can pause the video and come back to it at any point and set it up now if you're drawing along. Here's one important tip. Don't be tempted to flip your image halfway through. Stick with it upside down the whole way. That's where the real learning happens. I always start by blocking the big shapes first. Even upside down, I'm thinking about how the hairline relates to the forehead, the nose to the ears, and so on. When you're not actually seeing a face anymore, you just draw what's there: a shape, a shadow, a line. That's what makes this exercise so powerful. I use this approach in my own drawings all the time. Even when I'm drawing the right side up, I regularly flip my work upside down or sideways to spot mistakes, realign proportions, and check my shapes with fresh eyes. As you start drawing upside down, take your time. Focus on just one section at a time. Don't worry about getting everything perfect. The goal is to train your eye to see accurately. This method is brilliant for beginners. It cuts out the distractions that come from trying to make your drawing look like a face or an object. Instead, you're training your brain to focus on processing lines and angles without getting caught up in expectations. Over time, you'll find this improves your general drawing accuracy, especially your proportions, the negative space awareness, and also shape relationships. That carries through to all of your drawings, whether you're doing portraits, figures, still life, or even thumbnails for compositional planning. If you're enjoying this video and find it helpful so far, give this video a like and subscribe for more drawing exercises like this. I post regularly to help improve your art and drawing step by step. This exercise also helps you stop the classic conundrum: overthinking. If you're someone who gets stuck trying to fix every line constantly, drawing upside down simplifies this. It removes pressure and keeps you present in the moment, focusing on the actual drawing process rather than perfection. Using a pen helps too. You can start to draw with more intention. Even the mistakes become useful because they reveal how your hand moves and how your eye is interpreting the shapes. You'll be surprised how often a line you were unsure of actually turns exactly where it should be, to build trust in the process and resist the urge to constantly tweak or erase. So don't rush, trust yourself, stay upside down, which sounds a bit weird now, the whole entire time. No peeking. When you're finished, that's when the fun part comes. This exercise helps you see in a different way, and it helps you change your perspective revealing just how much you can train your eye with a simple, low pressure practice like this. Let me know how your portraits or landscapes or whatever you drew turned out. Have you ever tried upside down drawing before? And if you did it today, how did it turn out? I'll love to hear from you. So, all right, I've finished my upside down drawing. And now it's time for the big reveal. Let's flip it the right side up. Not bad. It's actually pretty accurate. A few mistakes here and there. I hope you're satisfied with your own upside down drawing and you can see how powerful this exercise is. And you're pleased with the final outcome. See you on the next video.